Hi. You know, this guy don't like us much. Don't blame him. Yellowstone's closed down. Flight cancellations because of weather. 3,000 so far. Your finances are toilet paper. I've told you this. You're going to lose your home due to fire. They're talking about this stuff. Remember when I told you the upper atmosphere was being pushed down to us? Well, it is. Remember when these were the only things burning? Yucatan's almost out. And so, well, South America, and I told you it's going to get worse up here. Well, it has an awful lot worse. And it's going to get even more fun. Your house is going to burn. If you think it's a directed energy weapon, burning your home and the hollow trees, go fuck yourself and get on somebody else's page. I don't appreciate your fucking comments. It's not a goddamn do. One. Number two, if you had a secret goddamn stealth weapon, would you color it red and green like Star Wars? You fucking idiot. You goddamn fucking people, I'm sick and fucking tired of hearing you repeat every goddamn CIA lie they feed to you on Facebook. This ain't that channel, and I'm not nice. I've seen a lot of videos about truckers sitting around can't get fuel, causing problems with the supply chain. I showed you where the goddamn corn died for the last 3 years. Died. The GMO crops don't exist to feed your fucking cows and your food. I told you the exact day of medical lockdown. Yeah, I called it martial law. Semantics. I hit the exact date because I wasn't guessing. There is no supply for the chain. Everybody accentuates the fact that these processing plants are burning down. Not one of my friends is accentuating the fact that they're doing this to hide the fact that there's no god damned fucking supply left. The train isn't the reason your fucking grocery stores are going empty. The grain died. There is none. They can't get the fucking cattle to the lots. And if they do, they're overheating. Your house is going to burn. I've been pointing out the fact that the Earth's axis shifted since 2010, October 2010. NASA admitted it. Popular Mechanics came out with an article. So did 35,800,000 other people talking about how the Earth's axis shifted. Your planet's axis shifted. Your moon is now doing a cartwheel because everything the moon does is dictated by our motion nightly, not the moon. And it's doing a fucking cartwheel because we tilt it. And your planet is burning because we have 3 suns. Can you see them? Yeah, you can. You can see the planets around us too. Mainly at night while you're sleeping. There's a bunch of light in your north. And there's a big old fucking pair of titties on the fucking horizon that are so big and dark, hiding all the goddamn stars behind them. You need to get out and look. Stop fucking sitting here in front of your screen thinking you know something. I, God damn it, stepped down from a position of influence to the point that I legalized fucking hemp production in the United States for the first time since the 18 fucking hundreds when they made it illegal. Because of this plot. I have laid it out for you very specifically for years what's coming. And everything I've ever said has happened. Yet I keep getting do's thrown at me. And harpsy doodles. You fucking people wouldn't know the truth if it hit you in the face like a Louisville fucking slugger bat. This is just normal as fuck. If you want lies and comfortable fucking untruths, go watch this fucking asshole. Stay off my page. Do you see BitChute here? Do you see the angry catfish? I found it. You can't. It's got all my important information on here. It isn't on this channel. YouTube will take your goddamn channel down for telling the truth. Here. You want to fucking learn the truth? You might want to get the fuck over here and start your oldest ones first. Or go to the Bruce channel. He's got some really good information. He hasn't got struck so many times because he hasn't talked about such sensitive information that I do. I don't give a fuck, personally. I don't give a fuck if they tear down my channel. I don't give a fuck. I'm not going to shut the fuck up. I was told by a seated senator what was coming, and that's why I haven't been wrong. I was the top fucking senatorial investigator for several years and was told what was coming, offered a bunker for my son and I. I refused it, and here we are today. You're throwing do's and harpsies at me from your couch as if your couch knows what the fuck is going on. Because you've been on Facebook for so long. Passing around CIA fucking made scripted goddamn mainstream news goddamn fucking lies that they love to have you sharing with your friends over here on your fucking social medias as if you're doing something. What you're doing is spreading their fucking lies. Stay the fuck away from me. For those of you that are already on the magnet, you know I'm not talking to you. Keep playing with your magnets. Talking to these fucking idiots that keep coming over here thinking they know something from some other channel. They're going to help me. They're going to help the senator's investigator that got told what was going to happen and has been warning what was going to happen. What's happening? That's what they're doing for me. They're helping me. I'm fucking losing it. Are you kidding me? Are there that many stupid fucking people on this planet? Really? Jesus goddamn Christ. If you think it's do's or harpsy doodles and you live on a flat earth, you should go see this fucktub. He'll tell you how great Jesus is. He's wonderful. He'll call me names too. So go hang out with him. That's where I like you. Over here in his community chat talking shit on me. Just because I've been right for so fucking long, so impeccably right, this guy wants to call me a fucking narcissist every morning. Fuck you, Lee. Piece of fucking dog shit. The guy has training in HVAC, heating and air conditioning. You're going to go listen to him about electrical and magnetic. Yeah. Stay the fuck off my page.